We are saying, this is Mahe, like we are saying, are we familiar? This water, just like this, cannot dry. Rainy season, dry season, any season at all, the water is always like this. It's very neat and clear. It doesn't go anywhere. It's just this place. It's very neat and very deep. If you enter inside this water, it's going to, you get drowned. But the fact is that nobody can swim it. You can't swim in this water. You cannot. So this place served an Igbo during the 3 years Nigeria Biafra War, from 1967 to 1970. This place was like a savior. It saved people in this environment. It saved people in other parts of Igbo land. As people come for happy attack, they come from all walks of life to ensure that they get water. They get salt from this place. And our grandmothers, people from this place, the old women, what they do there, they make sure that they produce water. They produce salt, through this water. They will come, some come in the morning, in the afternoon, and the evening. What they do is this: they will come here, they will make sure that they get this water and boil it, it turns to salt. They sell it in the market. Remember, there are a lot of things that this salt does to the body. This water, if you are having stomach upset, like you have problem with your stomach, just come here, get this water and drink. It will go. Yes. And even the salt itself, when you produce it, you put it inside the water and drink. You don't have anything like stomach upset again. So that is all about Maheze. A lot of history is here. Yeah, a lot of history. The man that discovered this place, like I said earlier, yeah, according to history, the myth stated that he sacrificed his son to make sure that this water expanded, this salt lake expanded. That is why it is called Mahé. The person that discovered this place was a hunter. So that is why about Mahé. You want to say, yeah, this is on the TV. Make sure that you subscribe. Bye.